Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Hideaway color match fascia screws in Trex Fascia. The system begins with a red counterbore tool, which creates an oversized hole for the screw shank, allowing the fascia to float, minimizing the effects of thermal expansion and contraction of the fascia. The counterbore tool also creates a recess for the head of the 1 3/4 inch epoxy-coated fascia screw to seat flush with the surface of the fascia. The Trex Hideaway color match fascia screw is backed by the same warranty as Trex Fascia. It's by Trex, for Trex. Trex Fascia measures slightly longer than 12 feet to allow for field trimming of the rough-cut factory ends. Be sure to trim the ends prior to laying out the fastener placement. Screws at board ends should be 1 inch in from the end. Screws along the edges should be 1 inch in from the edge of the rim joist. Screws in the field of the board should align vertically and spaced no more than 18 inches on center. For 8-inch fascia, use 2 screws at ends and in the field. For 12-inch fascia, use 3 screws at ends and in the field. Each Hideaway color match fascia counterbore toolkit comes with 1 red counterbore bit and 2 red hex sticks drive bits. Place the tip of the counterbore tool at your mark and at a 90-degree angle to the face of the board. In one continuous motion, drill until the counterbore cup stops spinning, then remove the bit. Be sure to remove any debris or water from the counterbore hole so that the fascia screw head will seat flush with the face of the board. At a 90-degree angle to the face of the board, use the red hex sticks drive bit to drive the screw snug into the hole. Remember, Trex Hideaway fascia screws are designed to float the fascia on the rim joist, so a snug fit is perfect for this application. Driving the screw tight would not allow the fascia to float. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.